Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball.
Alright, the wheels have come all the way from Scotland and they look pretty alright, to be fair. They're literally brand new. The guy had bought them for a Jaguar to retrofit them and make the Jag look nice. But the faces of them are absolutely brilliant. We're going to paint them white, obviously, for the Volvo. But if you have a look, the actually Michelin pilot spots that are on them. So for the 600 quid that we've paid for them, it's kind of a bargain, to be fair. So hopefully they'll go on. The 225s, so we thought they were 255s, did we think? So these ones are 225, so hopefully we'll be able to stick these on straight on the car. We might need adapters for the back to bring them out a little bit. It just depends on the ET and all that crap. So we'll get the car in now and then. Let's see how they look, old Spanny L.
Picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.
So like I said, we're just going to do a full review of it a little bit later on. Suspension at the minute, I tried it, well, off the line I can stay with my mate, and he's got a mapped ST. This is run standard, and he can barely pull on me. But this, if I chase him into a corner, it's like steering the Titanic. It's got so much body lean in it. It makes you a bit sick. But absolutely phenomenal down the road. Comfy as anything, even on them 18s that are on it. Them 18s are going to go white, and then it's going to have a Smithys garage logo on it, but in square font. So we're going to go ahead and do that on top of the touring car graphics, as I've already spoke to you about before. So on to the next stage of the build. I think I'll give I'll give it a bit of a run out today, and we'll give it a blast down the road, and I'll just show you how quick it is. It's not loud until you open it up. It gets a bit throaty, but it's not mega loud. But as soon as I bypass that cat, being a different animal completely, plus it'll breathe a hell of a lot better. And then there's a mapped ECU coming for it and all, a plug and play, so it'll be running quite a lot of power by the time we finish with it. And oh, like I said, the booster boiler's coming, so it will tidy up that squared arse with a bit of a contoured rear btcc spoiler on the back. And it's a proper one and all. We've actually hunted one down off of, it's off a Laguna, this one. Same time, same era, same everything. And we just may need to set the pegs for it, for the height. So we'll have to play about with that and all on top of everything. But it's just been that manic. We've literally just come back from a air show that we done, and it was absolutely jam-packed. It was nuts. Hence why the car's sound rated up, but that will be coming off. And it'll be transferred to this, so we'll make sign, plot it out and stick it on this. There's a few more cars in the car park that I'm going to go over that we've got extra. There's probably about another 3, but I'll go over them another day.